Hello everyone, my name is Zizi and today I'm going to unbox this beauty box from Lancôme, Paris. After I unbox this beauty box, I will also show you guys how I get ready with the products in the beauty box. And yeah, stay tuned. It's time to unbox this baby. I know they have two colors, one is pink and one is chrome. For me, I picked the pink. Oh my god, this is so pretty, and this is actually super big. So you can also just carry it with your other makeup. Look, fancy, bling bling. Oh my god, it's like a shiny type of look from the outside. Okay. And now it's time to open it. Now let's look at the goodies inside of my beauty box. We have what we have here: eye and face palette, face serum from Advanced Genifique. And we also have eye serum and eye cream and high definition mascara, super enhancing mascara base, 2 full size of lipstick, and a makeup remover. I actually feel like I could use those products to get ready every single day. I'm going to show you guys my daily routine of getting ready and with the products in the beauty box. Let's do it. So first of all, I will use this Genifique serum, face serum first. This is the Genifique. We'll just apply from the bottom to the top. From the bottom to the top. Yeah, you don't really need a lot. But this is like super moisturizing and smoothing. Okay, now the face is hydrated. I'm gonna use the eye serum. This little silver bottle is called Advanced Genifique Youth Light Pearl Concentrate. Yeah, this one is actually gonna help you detox your eyes, and it also help you to concentrate your eyes and lashes. So when you do it, just dip it, and from the bottom to the side. See, it helps you to massage it. It's super like comfortable from here. So now after we depuff our eye, we're gonna use this eye cream. It's the Genifique eye cream right here. I already opened it. Let's just put it under my eyes. Yeah. Yeah, just under and massaged it, I guess. After I put my eye serum and eye cream on, I just feel like my face have never been so moisturized like this before, and just look, it's not puffy at all. Yeah, the color in the eye palettes are super pretty this year. Yeah, like I'm highly recommend it. Like look at this palettes. You can do like dramatic type of look, or you can also do like daily type of look. It actually depends on yourself. But for me, I would prefer the daily look. Let's look at the blush. Wow, look at the palettes. This is just pretty. Like I love the palettes. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Okay, so before I put my makeup on, I want to show you guys the closer look of my skin. After I use the Genifique serum for my face and I apply my foundation now, it just looks like very smoothing, nice radiate. It just basically looks like a silk. So now let's use this eye palettes and face palettes to build up a look. Yeah, I'm going to play with my eyeshadow and face palettes now. Yeah, I'm looking for a really like natural beauty type of look. And I already finished my eyebrows and my foundation parts. So let's see. Beautiful Look by Lancôme Beauty Box, which is super gorgeous, and I'm going to change my clothes and go on my dates now. But still, I highly recommend everyone to get this Lancôme Beauty Box, because this beauty box only comes out like once a year, and it contains basically everything that you need for getting ready to go out and skincare, and especially the Advanced Genifique. This is like the most popular and famous products from Lancôme Paris, and it's also in this beauty box. And the whole beauty box is only $72.50, so I feel like it's not very pricey. This is actually my daily routine for getting ready, either to go to work or go out to meet friends. And I actually feel like this beauty box is very just worth it, because everything is full size. I can use this whole beauty box for at least like a whole year. Thank you for watching today's video. This is actually my very first videos, and yeah, bye.